Hello and welcome to Idea Campus. Idea Campus is situated in the lush green surroundings of Chansi, Nashik. A beautiful boulevard leads the way to the institute. As we enter, this corridor leads to the reception and the administration block. Admin block faces a large open interactive space which is used for gatherings and activities. The studios are wrapped around two courtyards which provide for 500 independent workspaces for the students. These studios are well ventilated with excellent natural illumination. We have created spaces for informal interactions while formal interactions happen in the discussion cubicles at level 2. Students and faculty discuss their work in these cubicles which are equipped with large LED screens. Even though students have to use laptops from day one, we have a well-equipped computer lab. The entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled with 24 hours free internet. There are 6 seminar halls which are used for academic as well as other activities. Level 1 has a set of 6 lecture halls. These lecture halls are fully equipped with interactive learning tools. Lecture halls open into a multifunctional area. At the same level, we have a library. At level 1, there are 2 open to sky courtyards where students can gather informally as well as for workshops, celebrations, and extracurricular activities. Keeping in mind the special needs of some students, we have created a barrier-free campus. We generate 30 kilowatts electricity from solar panels. Rainwater harvesting is also done in our campus. So, wouldn't you enjoy learning design and architecture in this interactive campus?